Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to unlink your YouTube channel from TikTok. But before I go on, I would like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime Music. I have a link to a 30-day free trial in my video description, and these are some of the benefits which I'll go in over in more details at the end of this video. Now, let's get back to TikTok, and make sure you stick around till the end, and I'll go over the details for the Amazon Prime offer that I have in my video description. Uh, Anyways, to unlink your YouTube channel from TikTok, what you do is first make sure you have logged in into the app. Once you have logged in, look on the bottom right hand corner. Do you see this person icon? Click on that, and this will take you to your profile page. Once you go to your profile page, look over here in pink. Do you see where it says edit profile? Click on that. And as you can see, I've connected my YouTube channel to my TikTok account. To unlink it from this account, click somewhere over here on this your name for the YouTube channel. Just click on that, and this menu will appear on the bottom. Click over here where it says unlink, and then make sure you look up here in the upper right hand corner and click on where it says save. There you go. That's how you can unlink your YouTube channel from TikTok. For the offer that I told you about, I have this link in my video description. And basically, for the Amazon Prime Music offer, you get unlimited ad-free access to over 1 million songs, in addition to other Prime benefits, such as instantly being able to stream over 40,000 movies and TV episodes, borrow books from the Kindle Owner's Lending Library, and my absolutely favorite one out of all this is you can get unlimited free 2-day shipping with no minimum order size. This should be great for the holiday season. Like I said, I have a 30-day free trial link in my video description. So if you want to try the Amazon Prime Music benefit for just 30 days with no commitments, please click in the video description and get this offer. Thank you for watching, and make sure you give Amazon Prime a chance.